Hi students, today we will discuss an important chapter called ratio and proportion. In our everyday life, we frequently compare between two quantities of the same type. Either these two quantities are height, weight, age, velocities and so on. So, we must define ratio. What is ratio? The value obtained comparing two quantities of the same type when one divided by the other. Very simply, we can write, suppose a quantity A, when it is divided by the other quantity B, then this ratio, then this part value is called ratio and also written as A is to B, where A is to B equal to A by B. Here A is called first term or antecedent. A is called first term or antecedent and B is called second term or consequent. So you see, in a ratio there are two parts, first part and second part, and obviously they are of same type. Suppose 5 kilogram ratio, you find the 5 kilogram with 10 meter. 5 minutes with 1 hour. Just compare two items, here 5 kilo and 10 meter, here 5 minutes with 1 hour. Do you think this is possible? Here is kilogram, the unit is in kilogram, and here is meter. So two different items, two different kinds. So it is not, ratio could not be possible because same unit, same types of units are not used. Here 5 minutes with 1 hour, 1 hour means 60 minutes. So 5 is to 60 equals to 5 by 60 equals to 1 by 12. Later on we will learn why 1 by 12. So it is possible, here 5 minutes with 1 hour, but an hour can be expressed in terms of minute. So it is possible. If it is 5 meter to 10 meter, suppose 5 meter to 10 meter, then the ratio would be 5. Then the ratio would be 5 is to 10. That is 1 is to 2. Since the units are same, quantities are same type, of same type, therefore this ratio would be possible. So students, whenever you are comparing with two numbers, two quantities, first think whether they are of same type or not. If they are not same type, so ratio cannot be possible. If they are same type, then you may compare. Students, now see, in the ratio between 8 is to 16. So we can write 8 by 16. So you cancel it. Since 8 is common, it can be written as 8 by 8 into 2. Since the same number have in both sides, in numerator and denominator, so you can cancel it and it will be 1 by 2. Suppose 15 is to 25, so it can be written as 15 by 25. So cancel by 5, 3 is to 5, so it will be 3 is to 5. So in a ratio, the ratio would be always in simplest form. Now see, here are two properties. Suppose A by B, the ratio A by B, it can also be written as m into A by m into B, where m not equals to 0. So we can multiply any number, non-zero value m, with A, and the denominator, if we multiply the numerator m by m, we can also multiply denominator by m. So it is the same. And again, we can A by B is also A by m and B by m. We can divide both numerator and denominator by the same number, that is m. Here also m not equals to 0. For our calculation or comparison, we can make this frequently, we can make this. Students, let us take a simple example for this chapter. Suppose rupees 1000 is distributed between two persons, A and B, in the ratio 2:3. Here see, A's share equals to 2, B's share equals to 3. So total of A and B equals to 2 plus 3 equals to 5. Hence, A gets 2 by 5. What is the share of A? 2 of total amount 5, totality. Out of 5, B share 2. So A gets 2 by 5 into 1000 equals to 400, and B gets equal to 3 by 5 into 1000. $600. So very simply you can do this. Students, here is another method also. You can solve this in another way. Suppose A gets 2x amount, and B gets 3x. So total amount equals to 5x. Here 5x equals to 1000. Total amount distributed 1000. Therefore, x equal to 1000 by 5 equal to 200. So A gets 2 into x, 2x, so 2 into 200, so rupees 400. B gets, so 3x equals to 3 into 200. So in these two methods you can solve this, and I like to advise you to follow both the rules simultaneously. Students, let us think in another problem. Suppose this triangle ABC triangle, here three angles A, B and C are in the ratio 1:2:3. Find the three angles. We know sum of the three angles equals to 180 degree, you know. So A is 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 3 into 180, that is 1 by 6 into 180, that is 30 degree. B, the value of B equals to 2 by 6 into 180, that is 30 degree, equals to 60 degree. And the value of C, the value of angle A, the value of angle B and value of angle C equals to 3 by total value, that is 6 into 180, equals to 90 degree. So in such a way you have to solve all the problems, and I think this chapter is very simple. Students, now let us learn comparison of two ratios. Let us compare 1:2 and 3:4. Which one is larger? This can be solved in two ways. Simply you can write this 1/2, that is in decimal you can write this 0.5. This can also be written as 3/4, and it can be written as 3 into 25, 4 into 25, that is 75 by 100 equals to 0.75. Clearly you see here 0.5 means 0.50. Here you see it is the larger, this number is greater than this value is greater than this. So this ratio obviously 3:4 is greater than 1:2. This is one method. Alternately, we can write 1:2 means 1/2. Here 3:4 equal to 3/4. Always try to make this denominator same. So what you will do? You just make LCM of this. Here if we take LCM, then we will get 4. If we make it 4, then it will be 2, and it is 4, so 3/4. We see 3/4 is greater than 2/4. So clearly 3:4 greater than 1:2. In most of the cases this method is we apply, but this is also easier. So you have to choose in which method you will solve this. Students, now let us learn the definition of proportion. If two ratios are equal, the value of two ratios are equal, then we call they are in proportion. Suppose A is to B equals to C is to D. Then we say A, B, C, D are in proportion and written as A is to B is to C is to D. Here is an important property you must know. A into D equals to B into C. Let us derive how it is made. Since A by B equals to C by D, therefore by cross multiplication we get A into D equals to B into C, which is the result. So for any problem of proportion we have to apply this rule in every case. Suppose if we want to see 2 is to 3 and 4 is to 6 are in proportion or not. Obviously we see 2 into 6 equals to 12, 4 into 3 equals to 12. So we can write 2 is to 3 is to 3 is to 4. Students, let us solve the 4 problems. Find the values of x in each of the following proportions. 1, 4 is to 32 is to 1 is to x. Here see 4x equal to 32 into 1. Therefore x equal to 32 by 4, that is 8. Here you see 35 into x equals to 5 into 49. Therefore x equal to 5 into 49 by 35. So you can cancel it by 7 and you can cancel it by 7. So x will be 7. Here you see in this math, here you see 1 by a into 1 by x equals to 1 by b into 1 by c. That is, by cross multiplication you can get bc equal to ax. Therefore ax equal to bc. Hence x equals to bc by a. So all the 3 problems are easy. You can solve this. Now let us see the 4th part. Here you see 5 square into x square equals to 3 square into 4 square. That is, x square equals to 3 into 4 square by 5 square. So we can write 12 by 5 square. So you can write, you get x square equals to 12 by 5 square. Hence x equals to plus minus 12 by 5. Why plus minus? Students, if you know x square equals to 4, what will be the value of x? X equal to plus minus 2, because minus 2 square equals to 4 and 2 square also 4. So what is the square root of this? So we can write this plus minus 2 the square. Therefore x equal to plus minus 2. Hence this value also plus minus 12 by 5. Students, here see, if you multiply this first and then square it, it will consume your time, you will lose some time. Here see square, here also square, so you can make this 3 into 4 square. If you have a little knowledge about indices, so you can this a square into b square equal to a into b whole square by c square. So we can write a into b by c whole square. So x square equals to a square, that is x square equals to a square. This gives us x equals to plus minus a. So students, I think you get some knowledge about ratio and proportion. I will give some mathematical problems in my Facebook, whose link will be given in the description of this video. So please follow the Facebook also. You please click the Facebook link and you will get the mathematical problems for this chapter. Students, now I like to say to subscribe my account, my YouTube channel, and click the bell icon to get all my videos. Thank you very much for your watching my video.